Hello viewer, why Google value your website, why Google rank your website. So many people do not understand why Google value. So registering a domain, add a content, so people think this is really automatically rank your website. So this is the completely wrong concept. So you have to build a site. Google need to understand is this value, that means quality content, also value from several best backlink, the valuable, the dear 90 plus messages, how to getting the backlinks, the normal, this is a very simple social media linking also. So like learn from it. In this my live application I am showing how this ranking is showing. So like this is my Imran Dev, so this is my Imran Dev application. When I hit this is the first website is mine, and I also adding this the Google business. Here also I have putting this my, when you hit this is my domain name. So check this imrandev.com, this is also .com domain and .bt domain. So maybe .com domain will be fastest, but better backlink, you will be automatically your domain backlink ranking your Google ranking automation. Check the YouTube also redirect this domain, and LinkedIn also this domain also. In latest update LinkedIn did not get the latest data. So this also domain, and this domain also refer me. So Facebook redirect to my main domain, and this also redirect my main domain. Check this also redirect my domain, and YouTube also redirect my main domain. So this is the basic social media which need to redirect your main domain, like Imran BT. So this is my TikTok, also X, that means Twitter and Facebook and Pinterest, and also in Instagram, also GitHub also redirect my main domain, and LinkedIn also redirect my main domain. So all social media you have to put your data to rank this, to redirect also this domain. So automatically Google detected as the valuable domain. So many application, many high quality, so that means high DR, high trusted website redirect to main domain, this domain. So this time Google deep value in your application, also deep value any content of their application, also rank helpful, very helpful for Google automatically detect as a valuable content, automatically detect as a valuable website, then it automatically rank your website. So I hope you got it. So basically is a normal domain, this domain is not more than 2 months, 1 month is maybe, and in this 1 month Google value because of the quality content become, and we said the quality backlink, that means quality backlink, basic backlink like social media and just social media latest content development. So this help you to rank your website. As a new website you can follow this guideline. Best of luck.